So I would like to know from you what your name is, who you are, and where you come from.
My name is Atharva Kamble. I live in Pune,
Hmm.
Maharashtra, but actually I am from Kolhapur.
Hmm. Okay. And what are your hobbies?
I like to play cricket,
Hmm.
football, basketball, and skating.
Hmm.
And in my free period, I play with my cube,
Hmm.
or I play video games.
Okay. How long have you been playing with your cubes?
It's like almost for 1 year.
Hmm. Okay. That's wonderful. Do you also have a YouTube channel?
I had one, but it got banned because I didn't put that much video because of my studies.
Hmm. So do you have any plans to have a YouTube channel in the future?
Yeah, videos in my free time
Hmm. And what that would be about?
about video games
Okay,
because I
about
like to
video
play
game.
video games.
All right. So which one is your favorite?
Favorite video game,
Yes.
Free Fire Max.
Okay. All right. That's good. And I think I did talk to your father, and it was such a wonderful conversation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Did you also watch that video?
Yeah, I watched that.
Okay. So did you like it or did you love it?
I loved it.
Okay, you loved it. Okay. So why did you think of having a conversation with me?
Means like I had to means like I have grammar. I want to get grammar improvement in my English, and like sometimes I fumble. I
Hmm.
don't get the word correct which I
Hmm.
want.
All right, all right. No worries. You just need to practice. Go on practicing, and you will come to a level where you are going to attract a lot of people. You are going to surprise a lot of people, and still you are speaking pretty well. Okay, so would it be okay for you to tell me a bit about your family members?
Yeah, I actually live. We are three over here in Pune.
Hmm.
My mother, and my father,
Hmm.
and my grandmother and my grandfather live in Kolhapur.
Hmm.
We live separately.
Okay. Do you miss them? Your grandparents?
Yeah, I miss them, but not that much.
All right, all right. So how often do you meet your grandparents?
Only in my holidays, vacation holidays.
Hmm. Okay, so I hope it is your off today, isn't it?
Yeah, it is off today.
Okay, so whenever it is your off or whenever it is the weekend, what do you like to do? What different things you do and what extra things you do?
Means it's not that much different, but actually the timetable is the same. Like on my weekend, first of all, I take my bath, I do my
Hmm.
breakfast,
Hmm.
and then I play with my friends for some time. I come
Hmm.
back,
Hmm.
then play with my toys. Then
Hmm.
I eat my lunch. I go to sleep. In the evening, I go for my skating class,
Okay.
and then after that, I do my studies,
Hmm.
and then I eat my lunch, and then brush my teeth and go to sleep.
Okay. All right. So what do you prefer eating for your breakfast or for your lunch? Do you have anything special to have for your breakfast?
No, not that much. Means like sometimes I eat vada pav or
Okay.
dosa on my lunch.
Okay. So what's your favorite dish?
Favorite dish? Uh, it's actually pav bhaji.
Okay, you like it. Okay. I also like it a bit. Do you also know the cooking?
I know cooking, but I don't cook that much. Means like I can cook Maggie, I can cook uh, tea and other things like
Okay.
black tea
Hmm.
and others.
So when was the last time you cooked Maggie?
I mean, sometime each every weekend cook Maggie. So I cooked it on Saturday.
Okay, last Saturday you cooked it. So
Yeah.
whenever you make Maggie, so do you make it for yourself or do you also make it for your parents?
Means like my parents eat with vegetables. So I don't know how to cook with vegetables. I
Okay.
only know how to make a plain Maggie.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, who do you love the most in your family?
Most of the time, I love both of them,
Hmm.
my mother and my father.
Okay. So, but when you are in dire need of money, if you want to buy any toys, who do you go to? Do you go to your mother or do you go to your father?
Actually, sometimes if my father is not available, then I go to my mother, and if my mother is not available, I go to my father.
Okay. It depends who is available.
Yeah,
Okay. So, who do you feel that who is always ready to help you in terms of money? Like, if you go to your mother, she will not deny. She will always give you money. Or is it also the same with your father?
my father.
Okay. Yes. Fathers always help us, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me two to three qualities you admire in your father?
Qualities.
Yes, if you are able to answer.
I don't know. I don't know about it.
Okay, no
I've
problem.
never noticed it.
Okay, no problem. Once you grow, then you will realize it. Okay.
Okay.
So, apart from playing, what do you love doing?
Apart from playing,
Hmm.
means like I don't. I'm not able to like concentrate in my studies, but most of the time I like to play.
Okay. So, what's your favorite subject then?
Favorite subject. It's actually most of the subjects
Uh,
means like physics, chemistry, bio,
hmm.
maths, and English.
Which one is very close to you? Which one is very close to your heart?
Very close. It is chemistry.
Chemistry. Okay. And what do you like about it?
Means like how the chemicals form and how
Hmm.
to make those chemicals, how to make means like sometimes they teach us how to separate the insoluble substance from this soluble
Hmm.
substance, like
Hmm.
that.
All right. So, have you ever done any experiments at home
Yeah.
too, as we do at like at labs of chemistry or of biology?
No, not that much. Means like I have done two or three.
Hmm. Do you watch cricket matches?
No, I don't watch cricket matches.
Okay. If you choose to any program to watch on television, which program you will opt?
Most of the time, I watch Dragon Ball Super on Cartoon Network. But
Hmm.
now we don't put recharge because nobody watches TV that much, right? In our
Hmm.
family. So
And
that's what.
okay, yes, I'm wondering if you can tell me this. That does your father speak in English with you? Does he help you to improve English?
Yes, he does help me.
Okay, so if by chance you make any mistakes, so does he scold you at the same time or does he make you understand, okay, this is the mistake you have made and you should not make this mistake?
Yeah. He does not scold me. He like helps me correct the sentence
Hmm.
and helps me to understand how to make the how to improve, how to do it correctly.
Hmm. And I think you are a spitting image of your father. You are completely speaking like your father. That it doesn't seem that I am talking to his son. It seems I am talking to your father. Okay. So when you grow up, what you would like to become?
I would like to become a computer scientist
Okay, that's wonderful. And why?
because I want to make like more video games like.
Okay. Okay. So don't you feel it is not good to play video games because we do not get anything?
Yeah. It's like I feel it doesn't help us in anything, but sometimes we can also play it in free period or in free period.
Hmm. So
It's
do you prefer indoor games or outdoor games?
most of the time outdoor games.
Like what are those games?
Those games are like tag, lock and key,
Hmm.
football, hide and seek.
Hmm. So whenever you go out to play, do you have any specific time? Do you have any fixed time that that point of time this person is going to Athir is going to play?
Yeah. I have a fixed time. Means like I go for playing. Means like in the morning at 10 o'clock and come back at 1 o'clock.
Hmm. And why do you want to work on your communication skills? You already have a good level of speaking.
Yeah, cause means like sometimes I fumble and means like I have grammatical mistakes sometimes. So I
Hmm.
want to improve it.
So when you know you have some problems, what do you do to overcome all the grammatical errors you have faced so far or you have made so far?
Means like I watch the videos again and again, or if I don't understand, I ask help from my father. And if I
Hmm.
still don't understand, then I take the help of my grammar book.
Okay. So, do you want to become an average speaker of this language or do you want to be a fluent speaker?
I
What do
want
you
to
want?
become a fluent speaker.
Okay, in order to become fluent, are you doing different things from others? Like, there have been a lot of children. This is going to be my fifth session, I believe. So, do you have different strategies to learn this language?
Means like I have three strategies like to read books, to talk with my friends in English, talk more in English,
Hmm.
and to read dictionaries
Right.
so I can get the word which I want to speak.
Right. Yes. Yes. That's true. So, can you tell me the five words you read the last time, or your five favorite words you love using them? English words?
Uh, I don't remember it because
Hmm.
I read it like last Friday.
Okay, I can understand that, and I have also noticed this. Whenever people ask us anything that we have memorized or we have learned, we are always under that pressure. Whatever we know, like knowingly, we are not able to answer that. Or after this call, when you think of the same question, you will quickly get the answers. Okay, I could say this, but why didn't I? It happens. Like, I can totally understand you.
Yeah. It happened a lot of time with me in my
Hmm.
school.
Okay, so for learning English, do you take any classes
No,
to enlarge your level?
no.
You do not do that. Okay, your
Yeah.
father is there, and your school is also there to help you in learning English.
Yes.
And what about your mother? Does she work somewhere, or is she a housewife?
She's a housewife.
Okay, she is a house. Do you also help her in some household chores?
Yeah.
Like, what are they?
Like helping cooking, wash the dishes.
Hmm. Okay, that's good. Or don't you make your bed?
Yeah, I make my bed, but actually I and my mother sleep in one bed. I can improve my English more and more.
So you are already at that level where I feel you are improving. But if you want to to see a sea change in you, for that you have to practice a lot. Practice, practice, practice. And whenever you make mistakes accidentally, work on those mistakes. And if you are making any mistake unknowingly, and tell your brain, always work on your feedback. Tell yourself, okay, this is something I commonly make mistake in. I should not make a mistake here. Second thing is that try to memorize one or two words every day. Atharv, I want you to make your vocabulary very strong. You need to expand your vocabulary because once you know a lot of words, you are going to have a lot of confidence, and this confidence will make you speak very well, and you will master everything.
Okay.
Yes.
And how can I means like improve my spelling? Means like sometimes I'm not able to focus in my studies. So how can I?
Okay. For that, I was also like you, and we can only focus on studies when we are interested in learning. Like our whole interest should be in learning, and you should not study at the time of playing. If you feel your friends are playing or if you are studying that amount of time, you will not be able to focus on that. Always study when you come from your school or in the evening before you go to bed. This is what
Okay.
I feel that can be the best time to study. Else, for concentration, you need to learn things you are interested in. As you said that you love chemistry, so you should always focus on chemistry first, then other subjects. That's how you can be very much interested in learning. And last thing is that always have competition with your friends. Like, do you have a competition when you play games? Don't you want to come first? Don't you want to beat your friends in games?
Yeah, I feel like that.
So yes, same should be with studies. Always have a competition. If you are very good at playing games, Atharv should also be very good at studies. No one should come to your level. Try to learn that, and we never know what life has held for us. So that's how you can do this.
Okay.
When you
Okay.
come from your school, do you sleep or do you take a cat nap?
It's like I eat my lunch after I come from school, and then I go to sleep for a while.
Hmm.
Means like till 4 o'clock or 4:30.
Okay. Okay. So the last question is that, do you do your homework regularly?
Yeah.
Okay. So then, if you are doing everything well, so the day is not far. You will come to a level that you have always thought of. You really have a lovely name. I'm in love with this name. All right. So I really enjoyed, and I love talking to children, and you are one of them. Okay. So hope to see you again in the future, and enjoy. Keep learning, and keep enjoying, and keep playing.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.